here it is. Introducing the DJI Mavic Mini, the newest drone from tech giant DJI. It's small, extremely light at 249 grams, light enough that is not required to register it with FAA. Although there is a catch, but we will get to that later. The drone is really tiny. It's about the same size as the controller. And most of Mavic Mini's weight is the battery. Inside the box you'll find some paperwork that says driving is complex and flying is easy. And what to do and what to not do. Like, don't let your pets play with the drone. Also in the box you will find the charger cable, which is basic white micro USB, extra set of knobs for the joystick, a screwdriver, and the cables to connect your phone. There's 3 cables. Each of them has one micro USB connector, which is square and goes into the joystick, and the other end is either micro USB, USB-C, and iPhone. Well, I don't ever use iPhone, so we don't need that. Not now, big brother. Let's get to the controller. It's the simplest of all controllers. Has no display whatsoever. Okay, let's see. The big brother and the new Mavic Mini. Size difference looks big, but once you unfold the Mavic Mini, it's actually not that big of a difference. Back to the controller setup. Just open up the antennas, open up the holder, take out the joystick knobs, in case you lose them, you always have your backup. In this case, I will use USB-C connector for my Galaxy S10. Take note that you will not be able to fit a phone with a case on it. Also, getting the phone in the holder is kind of finicky. If you have a screen protector, it will most likely be messed up. The good thing is, once you have the phone set, it's pretty sturdy and doesn't move around. Click once and hold longer and you turn it on. Wait for it to connect to the phone. And time to connect the drone. So let's remove some stickers, check the battery. Oh, and the protector for the lens gimbal. We don't need that. You actually cannot use it while flying because it locks the gimbal in place. Click once and hold, and nothing happens. Let's check the battery. Maybe there's a sticker to prevent contacts touching while being shipped, but there's nothing. And hold, nothing. Well, this drone came completely dead. Dead battery, I mean. Time to bring out the charger cable, and there it goes, it charges. So we'll have to make coffee and wait for this. Life is easy. So we got our drone charged and it turns on. I didn't charge it fully, but it's ready for its first flight. Take controller and connect aircraft. Hey, we see a video feed. First time DJI will ask you to accept some licensing terms and show you some tutorials and register, because they want to know if you crash your drone, they want to know whose phone was operating. After activating, you can technically deny some data sharing to DJI's cloud, but that might limit some functionality of the drone. First time running the drone, obviously you will be shown a flight tutorial to make sure every person understands what they are doing, because at this price the drone will be in everyone's hand. It's time to make our first flight. Or is it? So we have no SD card, compass error, and we need to update firmware. Let's calibrate. So once calibration is done, it's time to insert SD card so we can actually record something. And of course, first start is going to ask you to update the firmware. I'm pretty sure that during the first weeks or months, DJI will push out firmware updates quite often. First update is about 40 megabytes, but my internet is slow, so it's time to make another coffee. First firmware update installed. Connect our aircraft. Hopefully the controller battery will not die. Short press and long press on the Mavic Mini. And we're connected. See, it's already nighttime. Took a while. click the takeoff button on the left, hold the big button in the center, and up it goes for the first time. Flew up and never returned. Just kidding. So there it is, from unboxing to first flight. It took a while. If you're buying in-store and hope to shoot an event in an hour, forget about it. It takes a while to get things ready. Other than that, this is a fantastic drone. Subscribe to see the full review, where I'm gonna discuss all the good, the bad, the ugly, and what DJI doesn't tell you in the marketing. Also, you'll find out why this might be the most popular drone ever. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching. See you next time.